má jẹ́ kí ẹ̀rù bá yín, ẹ má fòyà. Nǹkan tó gbé Tani Olohun fún tí wọ́n lọ tì mọ́lé kò wọ́ tiẹ̀.
A lot of things had actually been said, and then as it stands, it had been made clear that what Tani Olohun was kidnapped for does not worth it. My brother, my sister, a lot of things are going on. Well, a lot of people have made it clear that the Kwara State Commissioner of Police is actually in trouble because she knows everything about how Tani Olohun was kidnapped. Majority of people have talked about the fact that Tani Olohun was actually kidnapped, not arrested, which is another case for the Ilorin Afa to settle. Now, a lot of people have raised eyebrow about the situation on ground. It had been made clear that people are actually living in fear in Ilorin. They are scared. They don't know they are right anyway, according to what had earlier been said. That why will you be in your own state as a Yoruba person and you'll be scared to speak out? You'll be living in fear. You'll be living in fear simply because you don't know your right. It had been said that the people in Ilorin are intimidated. That is why the Isheshe people were unable to have their festival. That you can imagine. If not because the people are scared and they have seen it all, that if they tried it, a lot of trouble will happen. They had to obey. Because according to what has been said, there is no reason why a festival would want to be held. And the next thing they will tell you, it cannot happen. For one excuse that is not relevant. Yes, a lot of people have made it clear that the reason why the people are actually living in fear is simply because the Fulanis are the one that dominated Ilorin. They dominated it. They are the ones in charge. They have taken over Yoruba land. And exactly what they want to do to all the southwestern part of the country. All the Yoruba speaking states. All the Yoruba states in Nigeria. That's why a lot of people came out earlier and made it clear. This must not happen. But right now, what the people are actually talking about right now is that nobody should beg for Tani Olohun. That Tani Olohun does not need any of their begging. That the Olodumare that is serving with the assistance of the Godfather, that it will be released in no time. We say no to religion that deny people their individual rights. There is peace in Islam, but it is the Alakatakiti that has brought trouble. And this one has been said by some Muslims anyway. I'm getting a lot of messages that a lot of people have actually sent that this needs to be tackled. That in the first place, Tani Olohun did not send anybody to beg on his behalf. Well, initially when I heard that, I was surprised that, are you sure these people are not trying to play tricks so that Tani Olohun will remain in detention? But it's so shocking with what we are now hearing. Well, according to Prince Debo, Okelola had made it clear that the guy will soon come out. It has happened to the saint in the past because he is saying the truth with videos for people to see. But the Pharisees have kidnapped him. It is just a while and then they are only threatening him for the future battle. They don't know this is the beginning of religious war in Yoruba land. You can hear that. That if care is not taken, yes, let's take it that way, that this is the beginning of religious war and exactly what they are trying to cause. You cannot say people should not be able to do what they deem fit to do simply because you think their religion does not want it. Yes, a lot of people have said a lot of things. Please, you people should stand for Tani Olohun. He didn't offend anyone. Please, I am a Christian, but I pray for him to overcome. Well, it's so baffling that even the Christians are actually in it supporting Tani Olohun. What does that tell you? This tells you that Tani Olohun is finally vindicated. Yes, it has finally been vindicated. It is also said that Tani Olohun has been raised as a rock upon which all oppression will stumble and fall. This case will end in victory for him and then freedom from oppressors. He will come out with a stronger voice. Àgbò tó tàdí mẹ́yìn, agbára ló lọ mú wá. That's another one. That's another one. It had been said that the Isheshe people right now will no longer be spectators in the face of attacks and then adversity. For each word used wrongly, we will react by reciprocity. For each bullet fired against us, we will react by reciprocity. It is at this time and it is at this price that a new era will be a reality in Nigeria. As you can hear that, a lot of people are not relenting. Yes, according to Jimoya said, Tani Olohun should not beg anybody. Beg for what? Tani Olohun is their master. He will come out and they spit more fire under the blockers of the miscreants. Alakatakiti. Alright, so this one had also been said by Jimo Akeran JJ. That's serious. Well, yes, it is not worth begging. Begging for what? And then who to be begged anyway? They are not God. They will come out of the place. Okay, he will come out of the place as a hero. Yes, my brother, my sister, a lot of people have actually said a lot of things about the situation on ground. Well, we have to just still say that Tani Olohun is finally vindicated. And exactly what these my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.